Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Parminder and I'm a freelancer makeup artist in New Delhi. If you want to check out my work, then you can go on to Instagram and search me by this username. I am also linking down my Instagram handle in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. In case you have not subscribed to my channel, then please do, as that single click of button will mean the absolute world to me. So you must have read the title of this video. Now this video will be all about chemical exfoliants. The most popular hyped serum right now is the ordinary AHA and BHA peeling solution. Some people also call it the blood serum. It looks like blood on your skin, but trust me, it is not. It is goodness packed in a bottle. Before I begin with my review on this product, I am going to tell you a little bit about chemical exfoliants so that you do not get scared or intimidated by all the knowledge. I am going to break it down a little for you guys so that you can sink it all in. Guys, please note that I am not a dermatologist, but yes, these products are dermatologically tested. I am not sharing something with you that I have just heard, but I have tried and tested this solution on my face and I have seen visible results. I will insert some before pictures and after pictures for you guys to see the difference, and trust me, it works. However, these chemical exfoliants are far different than the normal exfoliators that are available in the market, like the walnut or apricot scrub. Now I am sure that you must have used walnut scrub on your face at least once in your life. If you are still using it, then please say goodbye to it. It is not doing anything good for your skin, but it is creating micro tears on your skin. I was not aware of this earlier, but now I know it and I am noticing that I have micro tears on my face. But it is not an issue. Jab jago tabhi savera, you must have heard that, and that is why I am seeing more and more people shifting towards the chemical exfoliants rather than the physical exfoliants. The normal physical exfoliants are very harsh on our skin, and rather than doing good for our skin, they do more bad to our skin. So let's say goodbye to them. I have seen a lot of videos where people received a fake ordinary peeling solution. This is a very hyped solution. So please be aware and buy from an authentic page. I bought mine from the Cosmos shop. I am going to link down their page in the description box below. Please do not forget to check it out. Now this contains AHA and BHA. AHA is alpha hydroxy acid and BHA is beta hydroxy acid. Now AHA is a chemical that works on the upper layer of your skin. It will help you get rid of all the gunk, oil and all the dead skin on your skin. It will help you say goodbye to the unrequired particles on your skin that even stay after washing your face. Now the BHA present in this works on the deeper layer of your skin. Now if you are dealing with whiteheads, blackheads, pimple, acne, then this is the best solution for this, even for pigmentation. As it works on the deeper layer, it will help you get rid of all these things. Also, you must have seen videos where people say you can apply Disprin or aspirin, crush them and apply it on your face and you will get rid of pimples. This is because it contains BHA. The most common form of BHA is salicylic acid and it is present in aspirin and Disprin. That is why that method works, but that is not meant for your skin. That was the wrong way, but this is not, trust me. This is how the product looks like. It comes in this glass bottle with this dropper. It is red in color. You just need one pump of it and apply it all over your face for 10 minutes. Once your 10 minutes are over, you have to just wash it off with cold water and then follow a good skincare routine. You can apply a good nourishing cream on your face and wake up with a flawless skin. Once you start using this product on your skin might start purging. Purging is a stage when your skin starts throwing out all the gunk outside. You will start getting few pimples or whiteheads, blackheads more. But wait for it to work. Give your skin some time. Within 3 weeks, you can see the results. And you just have to use it once a week. If you have super sensitive skin, please do a patch test. I use it once a week and that works for me. Please do not try to act over smart and think यार मेरी skin जल्दी clear हो जाएगी. Please do not do that and overuse it. You just have to use it once in 15 days or once a week. That's it. Now this solution is not just helping me with acne but with also acne marks. You can see in the before picture that I had a darker area around my chin and these spots were quite dark but they have reduced a lot. In case your pimples do not stop popping even after 3 weeks, then you might want to stay away from this because it is a very strong chemical. It will do good for your skin, but in case it does not suit you, then say it goodbye. And please do not be afraid of this solution. It is highly recommended. In fact, it might become your best friend in case you are dealing with blackheads, acne, whitehead, pimples, pimple marks, pigmentation or whatever. It will definitely help you get a flawless skin. Before getting my hands on this solution, even I was afraid, but then I saw Shreya Jain's video and I believe every single word that comes from her, and I have never regretted buying a product from her video recommendation. And this absolutely works. That is why I love her. In case you have any questions regarding this chemical solution, then you can comment down in the comment section below and I will be more than happy to answer them. I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, then please hit that like button and share it with your friends so that they can also have a flawless skin. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye bye. Take care.